In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a laptop that's turning on but has a black screen display issue. Whether you're experiencing this problem for the first time or it's been bugging you for a while, follow along for a simple set of solutions. We'll go through some effective techniques to bring your display back to life. Let's start with the most straightforward fix, and that is performing a force restart on your laptop. Begin by pressing and holding down the power button on your device. You should maintain pressure for about 10 to 15 seconds until you notice that the laptop powers off completely. This step is crucial because it ensures your laptop goes through a full shutdown process, potentially resolving any temporary glitches. Once it's off, go ahead and press the power button again to restart it. This process often resolves minor software issues that can cause your screen to go black. If your laptop is still not displaying properly, it's possible that your screen brightness is simply too low to see anything. To check this, use the keyboard shortcut by pressing the function key, usually labeled FN, combined with the brightness up key, which frequently can be found as one of the function keys such as F5, F6, or F7, depending on your laptop model. Increasing the brightness might just do the trick to illuminate the screen. Another common solution to this issue is resetting the display mode. You can do so by pressing the keyboard shortcut, Windows, Control, Shift, and B simultaneously. If your screen refreshes afterwards, you'll know the method was successful in bringing your display back online. In the case where the screen works in safe mode, but not in normal mode, the problem could be related to the display driver. To address this, you'll need to reinstall it. Begin by right-clicking on the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen and selecting Device Manager from the list. Once in Device Manager, expand the section labeled Display Adapters. Find your GPU, right-click on it, and select the option to uninstall device. It's important to understand that this action will temporarily remove the driver that controls the display, but don't worry. Once you've done that, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically detect the absence of the display driver upon startup and will reinstall it for you. There you have it. Some practical and straightforward solutions that should get your laptop's display back up and running. By following these steps, you're tackling the most common causes of a black screen problem. If troubleshooting still leaves your screen in the dark, reaching out to a professional technician might be the best next step. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your laptop back to perfect working order.